Hi Sakib, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. Thank you so much for accepting this meeting request of mine. I know it might have been out of the blue that I reached out to you and you're wondering like why would I reach out to you so randomly?
Yeah.
So technically I just wanted to share something with you. The other day I was at your office and I just happened to be sitting at the reception hoping to meet someone from the sales team. But then I happened to overhear a conversation between two of your executives at your office, and you said that you're having issues with your fastener products and your
Oh, yeah,
fastener
yeah.
suppliers.
Yes.
So basically, that's the reason why I jumped to the opportunity, and I thought that it would be best for me to reach out to you on inquiring with your receptionist as to who would be the lead procurement manager at your company. They gave me your name and your visiting card and stuff like that. That's how I reached out to you technically. So thank you so much for accepting this meeting.
Yeah.
If you could just give me this opportunity, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Kirk, and I work for this company called as Fastenal, which happens to be North America's largest distributors when it comes to fasteners. Okay. We are located in about 3,200 locations all over the continent, which makes us the largest distributors of fasteners in the continent as well. At this opportunity, at this juncture, what I would like to do is just take you through quickly through our company website so you have a
Okay.
little understanding about what we do and what our products are like. Yep. So just give me 1 second. I'm just going to share my screen with you just to show you what exactly we do. Can you see my screen?
Oh, yeah, I can see your screen. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. So basically, this is my company website, and this is technically going to give us an overview about what exactly do we do. So we have got a multiple number of clients from Kimberly Clark to Ansell to Milwaukee and stuff like that who are our suppliers, and in turn we are their distributors. Okay, so we've got world-renowned suppliers working with us. We handle a lot of state and cooperative contracts. We provide after-sales support to a lot of fastener application companies that require fastener applications. We provide custom solutions to each individual client that we have. In addition to that, we take safety really seriously. Moving on, I would just want to talk about our products a little bit. So this is our whole product portfolio that we have. We deal with abrasives, adhesives, electronic batteries, something that will interest you, that is fasteners right here. And we talk about HVAC and refrigeration components as well. We also look at cooling, lubricants, stuff like that, lighting, you name it, and we supply it
That's
all across the continent.
that's good. That's good. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what our product portfolio looks like. We provide security, stuff like that. Now I would just like to take you through what our company stands for again. So today we, amongst many things, are expert consultants, a logistical company, a technological provider, and an industrial and a supplier for industrial and construction products as well. You name it, and we are in the business when it comes to industrial products. What we stand for, what is our value. We believe in decentralization. We believe that everyone in the organization has a say in whatever they do, whatever the organization does. We also believe in opportunity, equal opportunity for all our customers and our employees as well. And we provide a world class training to all our executives and engineers because that is what we stand by. Finally, what I would like to talk about is innovative. What we technically do is provide innovative supply solutions and services as well. Talking about solutions is wide range of solutions that we provide. We also provide a lot of industrial services as well in terms of performance, safety, accuracy, and longevity of our products. We have our own team of R&D developers as well as our experts on ground to talk and to provide expertise and expert solutions to our what do you call that, our clients. And we also have manufacturing services apart from the fact that we deal with other brands as well. Once again, this is our whole product portfolio. At just one look, you can see everything that we provide to our customers. So technically, yes, we are the largest hardware suppliers, industrial hardware suppliers in North America, and based in 3,200 locations across the continent.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm just going to stop my sharing now, so you can just tell me a little bit more about yourself and your company.
Um, So yeah, so we are basically one of the largest manufacturers of boats, and we've been in the industry since 1966. We started our production here in Kitchener, and we open our second plant in the next 10-15 years. And over the years, we have in the 1960s, 1980s, we introduced a new product line, that is the performance boards, fishing boards. And just in 2005, we also introduced a luxury boat and
Yeah.
luxury sea boat. And so yeah, so basically this is what we've been in the industry for quite a while. And so right now, can I share something with you?
Oh yes, please, please. Yeah.
1 second. Yeah. So here's the thing right now. Let's just talk about our boat. So as you can see,
Yep.
this is our flagship model, and we are in need of fasteners. Okay, as you can
Okay.
see, there are a lot of moving parts, there are a lot of parts included,
Yep.
the lights, and right now I'll tell you something about a boat. So this is like 100% wood free. Okay, so
Okay.
we don't use wood at all, and so that it complements the longevity of the boat. And
Yep.
this glass, you can see, it's basically tempered glass, and
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
which complements the high durability. And
Yep. Yep.
so yeah, this is what it is right now, and this is what we do.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're in need of
Okay.
like masters. Yeah.
Okay. So I have a couple of questions that I'd like to ask you, Saqib, just from my understanding about your product. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So technically, what exactly are you looking for in your product? In like from us?
So yeah, I mean, we're not really looking for a product. We're looking for our supplier right now. The
Okay.
problem we're facing at the moment is for completing one board, it takes about 7 to 10 days. Okay, and
Okay.
we're in dire need of fasteners. And
Okay.
yeah, so I'll tell you something about our current suppliers. So they are based in Montreal, and
Okay.
what happens is that we're all, fasteners is it's a regular thing. There's not like a proper
Yeah.
track record. So they are pretty slow in their
Yeah.
time delivery, and their customer service is just not up to the mark. And they've been our
Okay.
suppliers for quite a while.
Okay.
So
Okay.
right
Okay.
now, at the moment, we have about 20 units, okay, which are supposed
Okay.
to be shipped in a couple of months. The summer's coming up, and a lot of people are interested in buying boats. So
Yep.
yeah, so that's what we have 20 units, and we need to ship it like in the next 3 months and across Europe and
Oh.
South.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for that, Saqib. I mean, so how much of like what is the volume of fasteners that you need, and how many do you need? What are the number of units that you need? Things like that would really help me, make like a presentation to you when it comes to our final bid that we put in for you.
Yeah. So what we need is so it takes about around 1,000 fasteners and that includes nuts, bolts, screws, and washers. So
Okay.
complete one board.
Okay. Okay. So 1,000 to complete one boat is what
To
you're saying.
complete one board. As you can see, I showed you the additional
Yeah.
stuff
Yeah.
we have, the lights and everything. So it requires a lot of fasteners. Yeah.
Okay, and you're looking for 20 units, so that's approximately about to 20,000 20,000 fasteners that you would need, 20,000
20,000.
fasteners in all.
Yeah.
Okay, and so technically, I just want to discuss one more thing is so like 20,000 fasteners is not an issue for us to supply, but we've got multi-brand cooperation and we're distributors of multiple brands as well. So I don't think that should be an issue. And you spoke about customer service as well. That was lacking a lot when it came to your previous supplier. I can assure you that Fastnell is a company that is built on customer service. Okay,
Yeah.
and that's what we hold that highly as one of our biggest USPs as well. Finally, I mean, 20 within 15 to 20 days delivery would not be a problem at all for us. We would be able to deliver. Just
Okay.
now, what are your costs? What are you looking at? I mean, what is your budget exactly?
Uh, I mean, for 1,000 fasteners, we're looking at $12,000, and
Okay,
that's what the current supplier is charging us. Um,
okay,
that's I'm just being straightforward and honest with you. That's the landed price they give us.
okay. Okay, so that's $12,000 for 1,000 fasteners, and we'll just scale it down a bit so that we don't get into like the macro thing because you need 20,000 units, right? That's about $240,000 worth of inventory that you would need. And so
Approximately,
what I
yeah.
can, yeah, $240,000. So what we could do is that I could close the deal with you for about $210,000 because you're our like one the first time you're doing business with us. I want you to have a look at what our business solutions are that we provide the expertise, and then we can discuss increasing the prices as our relationship grows, further. Finally, I have a couple of questions for you. I just want to understand, like, I like, can we send you a detailed brochure with our specifications of our fasteners as well? I can send it to
Yes.
you via an email.
Yeah, yeah.
You could run it by your R&D team as well, and you can get back to me as to what exactly are your specifications.
Yeah, right
Uh,
now, I have to, speak to my CEO and also the production
yeah,
line manager. And then,
yeah.
yeah, we will require a brief, brochure about your products.
Oh, perfect. Okay, so I would send that to you right away after this call. There's another question I have is, so once you consult, we can set up another meeting as well.
Yeah,
That's what we can schedule another meeting.
yeah.
Then we could talk about is, would you and your team, I mean, your CEO and your production line manager would like to visit our factory or
Yes,
our hub?
definitely, come by probably in a few days' time. Yeah.
Okay, so what I would do is that I would connect you. I would connect my assistant or my my operations manager to handle your whole trip over here. We put you up in a hotel and stuff like that, and that's when we can discuss the final nuances of the deal. Within the next 7 days, let's look at flying you down to our manufacturing unit and our our show warehouse, and we can take the conversation forward from there.
All right. Sounds good, Kirk.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sakib, for giving me your
Thank you,
time
Kirk. Thank you. Thank you.
today.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll just drop you an email right away after this call, and we can take the conversation forward via email. Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much, Akab. I look forward to talking to you soon.
Likewise.